Accountancy Lesson 1, Exercise 6. Following are the balances in the books of Thomas as on 31st March 2019. Particulars: sundry creditors 6 lakhs, furniture 80,000, land and building 3 lakhs, sundry debtors 3 lakh 20,000, bills payable 1 lakh 20,000, cash in hand 20,000, bills receivable 60,000, stock 2 lakh 20,000. Prepare a statement of affairs as on 31st March 2019 and calculate capital as at that date. So first we'll see what is the question. Here the question is prepare a statement of affairs and calculate capital as at that date. That is the question. So first we underline the question. Prepare statement of affairs and calculate the capital. That is the question. First we'll read each item and mark whether it is an asset or liability. We all know statement of affairs is a statement showing assets and liabilities. So we'll read each item first. Sundry creditors, it's a liability. Furniture, asset. Land and building, asset. Sundry debtors, asset. Bills payable, liability. Cash in hand, asset. Bills receivable, asset. Stock, asset. Now we have marked all the items, whether it's liability or asset. Now we'll see the solution. First we have to write the heading. How we should write? Statement of affairs of Thomas as on 31st March 2019. Liabilities, assets. This is the format. So we'll read each item one by one and we'll write in the respective sides. Sundry creditors, it's a liability. So under the liability side, I have written sundry creditors. The amount is 6 lakhs. Then furniture, it's an asset. Under the asset side, furniture, the amount is 80,000. So we'll write 80,000 here. Then land and building, it's an asset again. So asset, the amount is 3 lakhs. So land and building 3 lakhs. Next, sundry debtors, it is an asset. So sundry debtors 3 lakh 20,000. Then next item is bills payable, it's a liability. So under the liability side, bills payable, the amount is 1 lakh 20,000. So I am writing 1 lakh 20,000. Next, cash in hand, it is an asset. Amount is 20,000. Next, bills receivable, it is also an asset. So bills receivable 60,000 we should write. Then stock 2,20,000, it is also an asset. So we write it here 2,20,000. So we have written all the liabilities under the liability side, all the assets under the asset side. We all know the asset side will be more. So first we'll add all the assets. So what first we'll add and find the total. So I am writing here all 4 zeros. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 18, 20. So the remainder 2. 5, 8, 10. 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs is the total. The same 10 lakhs I am writing under the liability side. So we should write it here also 10 lakhs. Here 2 items are there now that we should add first. 6 lakhs plus 1 lakh 20,000, 7 lakh 20,000. So from 10 lakhs, we have to deduct 7 lakh 20,000. if we deduct 4 zeros, we'll get, that we'll write, from 10 to 8 we'll get, here it's only 9, so 2,80,000. So 2,80,000 is nothing but its capital. That's the question they have asked. Calculate the capital. In this problem the answer is capital